Hey guys, welcome back to Isaac Magic Trading Community. Thank you for your patience. Those who have been waiting for me for a short time now. We will be back soon, very soon, live with you. And actually, you can see that the setups are very amazing, and everything that we are doing is being very, very, very good. Our setups have been very, very solid. If you want to check the Telegram group, if you are not in the Telegram group, please, you can join the subscribe to the Telegram channel or YouTube channel, because most of the setups that I post, I'm not doing the videos because I'm busy studying with a certain key people. And I mean, I can show you that I'll show them on the Telegram that some key information, how the market reaction and things like that. Everything is on the Telegram. And you can see my setups on the Telegram. Okay, everything is being posted. And you can see that it's been very successful and profitable for the past 2 months. We have been doing very, very well. So I will tell you guys that just join the Telegram if you are not in, subscribe. So today I will give you some few pairs to see how everything is going on. I'll start from Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar here today, and let's see what is happening with the daily time frame in Aussie dollar. Okay, the strategy of we trading with the Isaac Magic is that Isaac Magic is purely a combination of fibs and patterns and institutional order flow. This is where all is about. So let's look at Aussie dollar. If you look at the Aussie dollar, we are heading uptrend for a while now. We've been going to the top. I mean, this has been a bullish for a while, and people are asking, when is it going to be? Everybody is waiting for some turning or something like that. But for us, the way we trade, you can see clearly that we haven't reached our position yet, okay? There is more bias. I'm expecting market to reach the price of 0.733, okay? That is my expectation, but my first minimum target should be 0.72. That is our first target. So we will take you to the 4-hour chart or whatever. But if you look at the daily, you can see the market was consolidating here for a while. Market deconsolidation here, market deconsolidation here. Anytime you finish the consolidation, it is making higher highs. Anytime you see market breaking the previous highs, you break this, that means the buyers are standing here. This is where the institutional bankers are waiting. And really and truly, just bear in mind that anytime this market stays here, when I see a big pullback, I prepare myself to put a bias on top, because that is telling me that the people with the big pockets are coming to move the market. And these are the people that we need them to move the market so that we make the money. If these people don't exist, we don't make any money. So what do? I target to see where the key levels are. When I see this consolidation, I started looking for my bias. I start looking for my bias, and I start looking for my bias. Okay, this is a key level. As soon as we see this, this is where our bias were sitting. And guess what? We move up very, 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 very massive buy. And now we are here. So what do we see again? We have seen the same consolidation here. The same thing that happened here is doing here. Okay, we saw here and it did here again. So what am I expecting? I'm still expecting market to go on bullish. Minimum, this is our target. Minimum target is here. Maximum, we are heading towards 0.73. So how does this reach there, and what is it doing? I can't go into details, but here right now, I'm looking for market to make a little correction here. And market will drop down for a bit deeper correction tonight and tomorrow. Then from here, we can look for entries. I'm not expecting market to break below this. So I'll go to the lower time frame, which is 1 hour, and then we see how the market reaction of the 1 hour is going to be. Yes, I'm looking for where market is likely to turn. And if you look at here, we have some few rejections here, blocks, bullish other blocks, some other blocks are sitting here, and I'm expecting market to move back to the top. So what I'll do is I normally, like you guys know the Isaac Magic policy, I'll fib it looking for my 886, okay? So I fib this one, looking for my 786, 886 magic line, and this is exactly where the market is going to be. So I'm not expecting market to stay here. I'm expecting market to tank down and return back, reverse very, very fast. So this is where I'm looking for my buyers. This is exactly where I'll be starting there, looking for my buy limits there. Okay, so keep your eyes on it and see how far are we going to check it. We are going to get this buy, by no doubt. We're going to get this buy. Sorry, we're going to get this buy from here. Let the market come down. So we can even sell it for scalping. Those who do lower time frame sell, you can look for a short-term sell. You can look for this sell. Maybe you're gonna clean about 100, maybe 100 pips. You put your TP here. I will personally do that. Then I will buy this one from the low. Okay, so keep a close eye on this trade now. If you want to go to 15 minutes, you can look for 15 minutes setup as well. How would market go? Can market just move a little bit up to break the top and drop? Yes, it's possible. So let's wait. When the market opens, we can make a final decision about what the market reaction will be between here and here. And then we take our sell. After our sell, we take our buy. Okay, this is the Aussie dollar setup for this week. Any question, you can comment on the YouTube, or you can join the Telegram group channel, and then we keep. But personally, I'll be back live with you very soon. The next pair is going to be pound dollar. Pound dollar is here, and the pound dollar as well. Last week we were looking for the same thing, like the same downside, and we took a sell. We took a buy for a long time, and then you can see exactly here as well that the market has been rallying up. It's been pushing up until last week. The market has been pushing up. You can see from here. Okay, so is it finished? Is the market going to turn? Nobody knows. But me personally, by the way I trade the Isaac Magic and whatever I'm doing, I'm expecting market to make a little deeper correction. So what do? I'm expecting market to move up here a bit in the daily time frame, trap down all the buyers here and tank down before we go. Okay, I'm expecting this market to do this. Why? Because by the rules of Isaac Magic, the way we trade, I will use this fib especially, and I will look for 616 or 7. It's exactly this level that we will likely hit. Okay, I'm expecting market to come here. This is the price I'm looking for market to come down here, and then we go up. So keep your eyes for this sell. How do we know if the market is ready to sell? We go to lower time frame and we'll be looking for a positive sell setups. Right now, we don't have the setup yet because market is not yet open. But if you look at previously trading pattern, how we trade, you can see that this is some patterns that some of you are familiar with. You've got the downside ready. You've got your downside here. You got your correction here, and you're looking for another downside here for this one. Okay, before you come down. I don't trade this level anymore because of experience now I have gained. So I'm waiting for market to come back to give me my 786, 886 section, which is very, very good position with less risk reward. So when the market reach up here, I'm going to take my sell. I'm going to take my sell. Okay, this is what I'm waiting for. So tonight, when the market open, we can get a little reaction for this guy here, and then we can get a downside. Can this start taking you down straight away? Yes, it's possible. Like I said, as far as the market is not open, we can come down here, take the buy, and we go. So let me see what we can do from here now. those who want to do scalping, I can just help you a bit with some key setup. This once a bit. Let's see, price will come around 134, 1304. Around these places, price shouldn't go anywhere further than that. So we are actually, I don't really like to take these baby trades, but sometimes it's interesting. So just keep your eyes on the channel. I'm gonna update whatever happened here. Let's wait for market to open, then see the reaction between Monday, and then we can take a step forward on the following day. Okay, so far, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for my sell. Okay, so this is the pound dollar. The next one will be UJ. Okay, I will take you through the UJ. I just give you 3 setups or 4 setups, and let's look at the UJ and from the 4-hour time frame. If you look at the UJ, the same thing happening here. UJ now is giving us a sign of downside. Okay, so we'll be looking for entries for sale, and I'm looking for a little. Sorry to make it clear again. UJ is giving us a little pullback for the buy. Okay, let me make it clear. It's not a sell trade. It's a buy, but the pullback is where I'm trying to make it clear that you can get a little. And if you look at my drawings, this is where I'm looking for my buyers. I say market price shouldn't break below here. So I'm looking for where the price is going to reside. And if you look at the Isaac Magic policy again, I will use my FIB. Like I have not really been using this FIB for a while because now I don't trade FIBs, I trade price action. I normally look for 414 level of the FIB. This is the 414. So I presume the market to make a little correction, take these levels and drop down here before we go. And this also becomes a running flat to those who knows. You got impulse, you go A, you go the B, you go the C, you're having another impulse. When the B wave break the top, it becomes an expanding flat. So we can likely come here and break this low before we go up. So keep your eyes on it for this kind of levels, and then we go. Okay, so we can go to lower time frame to see. Yes, we have a very potential good setups, and exactly what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing markets being different for me. I'm looking at a short-term buy here. When the market open, you're going to have a little bias, and then we drop down straight away. If you are there and the market is open, you can look for this. It's a short, your stop loss stays here, but I don't really like this. I wait for Sunday market reaction to be stable on Monday morning in UK time, then I can take my trade. That's what I like to do. So you can also do the same. So this is a very nice setup that I'm waiting for this UJ. Actually, I have a buy on it already, but I didn't close it. So I will see what happened here. This could be a running flat. Like if I draw the pattern, you guys can see that we have some funny pattern. This is your A wave, this is your B wave, and this is your C wave. We are going up. Okay. Like I say again, I don't trade this type of pattern. I just want to make it. I know that most of you watching are familiar with wave trading and so much. So I just let you to know that I don't trade it, but I can help. Now I do real price action, and which is exactly what you've been saying here for the UJ. So let's look at what is happening. You can see that we have already broken the top. We broke the last impulse. We broke it. Market might make correction here, tag here, and drop down. Okay, yes, it can do that. So this is what I'm looking for. So we can place our sell there if you have time. When you get this trade, you wait for trade to tank it to the top, and then you can get your sell. Very, very interesting sell. Your stop loss stays here, your TP will stay here. And then when you reach here, you can look for your buy again from here. This is what I've been doing this week, and it's just a fun. I just laugh at the market, and it's like I'm playing games with him. So yeah, we can get this one here, and then we wait. We buy for the top. This is not. It's way better, far up here to this target. So first we look for downside, and later we take the top. Okay. So far we have got 3 setups. Let me see if I can give you EURGBP so that people can see what is happening. EURGBP is a buy trade. Euro pound is a buy trade, and we are waiting. It is not clear at the moment, but I'm looking for a buy. I have exactly here that you see big order here. That was where my buyers were. I didn't get this because I wasn't at home, but I have my buyers. As soon as we break this, I want us to break the top, retest it, and go. So EURGBP has a very strong bias to this level, and let's keep our eyes on it. After this buy, we can go for the sell. But for now, let's try to get rid of the bias first, and then we see how the market will change after that. Okay, so thank you guys for just short 10 to 15 minutes video, maybe it's 10 minutes video. And I thank you for watching as well. If you like it, share it, and subscribe it. Isaac Magic, we'll be back live very soon. I try to just get in slowly and everything will be done. Okay, take care. And by the way, you can share the Telegram channel, Isaac Magic. Just type it on the Telegram search engine and you see it. There is a link there as well on the YouTube page. There's a link underneath as well. You can just like it. All the setups that you think, maybe you are somebody that don't see me anymore. You don't see me doing webinars. You don't see me doing live trading. All the setups has been posted here. And everything is black and white. If you look at the YouTube channel, it's also there as well for you to have an idea. So just go to the YouTube page, watch it, share it, and subscribe it. And then any question, you can comment, anything, any ideas, how you want me to do the webinars for you. I mean, all ideas, all questions will be answered because like I said, I'm just working a little team that will help me in the future. And these guys are also learning very, very good from me. So take care, everybody. And then I'll see you probably this week again. Bye.